Hi guys, this is Vincy Glamour and I'm gonna be doing the husband tag, and this is basically been a long awaited tag that I wanted to do, but I couldn't get him to do it, and I finally got him to agree to do this tag with me. And you guys are gonna learn how we met and all that good stuff and everything about us. Okay, so let's get right into it. You ready? Okay, so he has not seen these questions, so we're just gonna go straight to the first one. How and where did we meet?
Well,
we're vlogging the camera. Okay, how and where did we meet?
well,
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Seriously. How and why did we meet?
through my friend.
What was your first impression of moi?
Look, beauty.
Okay. True. Okay. How and where was our first date? How was our first date and where was it?
It's long.
What do you mean it's long? How and where? How was our first date?
First date was good.
Where was our first date?
In Jamaica.
Where was our first kiss and how was it?
At the airport. Duh.
Yes, okay, so when I came to Jamaica, and the first time that we actually met was at the airport when he came to get me, and yeah, we kissed. Okay. Where did you meet my family?
Like 2 years after.
Okay. How did you know that I was the one?
Because I have a personality. And the way it is, and I mean, we just connect.
This is kind of redundant, but when did you realize that you fell in love with me?
That was like the second visit to Jamaica.
The second visit.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did you fall in love with me? It's kind of redundant. It's kind of answering the first question with like, how did you know I was the one? But why did you fall in love with me?
As I just said, the personality and the ways, and of course the good.
Okay. And let's see. So, how long have we been together, relationship and marriage? Like, how long in total have we been together?
10 years now. That's 1 decade.
Yeah, and counting.
Yeah.
For many, many more.
Many, many more.
Okay, how do you resolve problems? Like, when we have problems, like, how do we resolve them and stuff like that?
Talk it out.
Okay, and who's normally the one that gets the last say?
You.
There we go. Because a happy wife, a happy life. Okay, so take note, guys. All right, so what key elements make a successful relationship and marriage?
Just keep your home happy.
Okay.
Happy.
Just
be happy together and have fun.
And I would say make sure that there's open communication. If you do not like something, you know, speak to your husband about it. That's your partner. So you guys talk it out, see what ways that you can resolve it and stuff. Also make sure that you keep that trust solid, and I would say, yeah, just communicate, keep that trust. Always let your wife know how beautiful she is, compliment her, you know, just as when you met her, how you looked at her, how you were so amazed at her. Keep complimenting her, keep making her feel happy, and wives do the same.
Yeah, just you gotta tell me how handsome I am.
You're handsome. Okay. Yeah. Talk to the Lord. Keep the Lord in the middle of your marriage. Alright. So next one, what do you love about me? A lot of these questions are redundant, but what do you love about me? Like, what stands out about me?
Everything.
Like what, babe? Come on, be specific. Like something.
Personality.
Yes.
That's what I like the most. Yeah.
What else?
The beauty.
Yeah.
And the sexiness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else?
That's what I said. Everything is all a package, but those stand out the most.
Places you want to travel.
Italy.
England.
Yeah. Germany.
Dubai.
Africa.
I was about to say that.
Yeah.
I would say China. Yeah, but a lot of places, and those stuff will be coming as you know time progresses.
Pretty soon.
Yeah, so
yeah,
look out for that. We're gonna be doing and as we travel, we're gonna be doing vlogs as well. So definitely stay tuned for that.
Yeah, but the first one, England. Look out.
Yeah, all my British. Yeah, you know what I mean.
They got me.
Say something with British accent.
I'm pretty much British, you know. Yeah.
I surely didn't hear that.
I said I'm pretty much British.
Okay. Yeah, mate.
Peace out, blood.
What is my favorite TV show? I mean, well, what is my favorite movie then? We're gonna switch that question up a little. What's my favorite movie?
What kind of movie is a favorite?
Okay, what kind of movie?
Like adventure.
Okay. But what is one adventure movie that you know that I love?
That alien looking one. What am I call it?
Who is my best friend?
Me.
Yeah.
Who else?
Yeah, besties.
Alright.
What is something I do that you wish I wouldn't? Let's get some tea.
Draw me out to come on this. Yeah.
But it's not that bad, right?
No.
Exactly.
But that's what you do.
I know. Okay, what is my heritage and why and where am I from?
This is the heritage and where you're from?
Yeah.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Okay, that's where I'm from, yeah. Did I play any sports?
No.
No, I didn't. If you baked me a cake, what kind would it be?
Chocolate.
I hate chocolate.
Oh.
What's a cake that we bake on Sundays?
Vanilla.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You saying chocolate.
I hate chocolate. Chocolate.
Exactly. You don't even like it.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up with this next question and then we're gonna do a part 2. What is one unique talent that I have?
To exercise a lot.
Guess what? It's not really a talent, but I love exercising and I'm still not seeing the results I want, but I'm not giving up. Okay guys, so we're gonna wrap up this part 1 of the husband tag and then we're gonna do a part 2, and yeah, so do look out for that. To all of my new subscribers, welcome, and please, if you have not, click the subscribe button right below this video and then you're gonna see a bell right next to the subscribe button. Please click that and click all, that way any video that I upload you're gonna get notified and then you're gonna be able to come straight back to my channel and view the video. Alright guys, so stay tuned for part 2 of the husband tag and see you later. Peace.
Peace out.
Bye.